Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAFIT. Today's video is self-care with yoga. Let's get started. Okay, let's take child's pose, Balasana. Knees open about mat distance, toes touch, sit on your heels, and bring your chest down. Today, let's do Namaste, palm together, and bow into your arms. And forehead rest on your mat. And inhale, exhale through the nose. Just simply observe your breath. Take a quiet moment for yourself. Study your breath. Calm yourself down. Now release your hands. Now thread on your armpit, twist your upper body, rest your head on the mat. Inhale, exhale, soften your gaze or close your eyes. And if you want to get a little bit more deeper twist, use your palm pressing down and look toward the ceiling. And reach these fingertips to the side. Cultivate ujjayi breath. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose. Next exhale, release back to center. Let's do the other side. Interlace. Reach your hands to the opposite side. Rest your head. You can stay here, or if you want, place your palm down and look toward the ceiling. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, bring your air, a lot of air into your chest. And exhale, release. Inhale, bring your air to the back, lower back. Lower back fill up with air. And exhale. Bring, squeeze all air out. And release. Good. Now, let's take half lotus pose. Oh. Sit down nice and tall, comfortably. And hug your shoulders. And gently, I'm gonna show you from profile. Gently massage your shoulder. Hug yourself and give yourself nice massage. And if you want, rotate your neck. And release. Now, opposite arm up and cross. Hug yourself and give yourself massage. This is self-care yoga. So it's by hugging and massaging, you are caring yourself. And always breathe. And release. So now switch your legs. Inhale, crown reaching toward the sky. Exhale, tilt your neck to your left. Now use your tip of your finger to caress your neck. Tap, 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 tap. Nice, gentle massage. From around your ear, through your neck, and down to the collarbones. Maybe around the shoulder as well. Maybe under collarbones, upper chest. And release. Let's do the other side. Inhale, lengthen your neck. Exhale, tilt your neck to your right. And gently use tip of your fingers to massage your neck. Maybe around your shoulders. Above collarbones. Under your collarbones, upper chest. Up to your ear. Down to collarbones. To the shoulders. Upper chest. And release. Okay, bring one knee straight and grab your ankle. And so bring your heel, hug your heel, and hug your knee as if you are holding a baby. Okay? Holding a baby. And really small, tiny motion. Little sway to the side. Relax your shoulders. And relax leg. Tiny, tiny little swing. And bring your leg a little bit close to your chest. And release. Let's do the other side. Hug your own leg as if you're holding a baby. And if you want, tiny sway to the side. No tension on your neck. If you notice any tension, use your exhale to actively release this tension. Inhale a little bit to get close to your chest. And exhale, release. Now, grab opposite ankle again. And I'm gonna interlace my finger with my own toes. And I kind of rotate my foot to activate my ankle joint. And one side to the other side, reverse. Now bring it to the mat and massage. Massage the bottom of your foot. Maybe putting your toe, each toe, gently, nicely, to give your foot nice massage. And let's do the other side. Grab opposite ankle and interlace your fingers with your toes. And rotate, activate ankle joints. And to the other side. Now massage. Maybe gently pull your toe, each toe. Now take half lotus pose. And inhale, bring your arm to the side. And exhale, palm together, heart center. This sequence is about caring for yourself. I recommend you do it as often as you need. Also, check out my other videos in the comment section and make sure to subscribe to my channel and select the bell option to get notified of my future videos. See you soon!